Hello, today I'll be showing you how to repair a Samsung SV-5000W multi-regional VCR. As you can see here, we're getting these little white speckles showing up in the video. This is a common problem and actually a pretty easy fix. See these little brass leaf springs? They are supposed to help the chassis make a solid connection to ground. Unfortunately, this is a design flaw. So firstly, I'm going to press a bit with my tweezers and see there, the video is instantly improved. So let's unplug the unit to make the repair. The repair is going to be this small piece of green wire which goes from the leaf spring to this metal support on the chassis. Now the repair is complete, let's test it out. Perfect, the speckles are gone. Let's try out some of the features. We have strobe, we also have an art filter with a few different selectable levels that go from a mild effect to heavy distortion. Thanks for watching.